guys, thanks for stopping by. My name is Renee with Natural Nurse Solutions, and I'm super glad that you were led to find my website. So I'm just going to talk to you guys a little bit today just about myself, about Natural Nurse Solutions, as well as our bath bombs, and finish up with a quick demonstration of how to use the bath bomb, I guess. So again, my name is Renee with Natural Nurse Solutions. I started kind of on this natural approach to medicine probably about 3 years ago when my own health kind of started to decline. I've been a nurse for probably about 12 years, I think, yeah, if I count it out, as well as I've been kind of in the healthcare field for well over 20. So I've been around all different forms of medicine, primarily emergency room medicine and hyperbaric medicine. So it's really been a blessing and a huge part of my life, and it has led me to kind of go along the path that I'm currently on with the natural approaches to medicine. So about 3 years ago, like I said, my own health kind of started to decline. So I had to take a big step back and a look at what I needed to do to kind of get my health back from the inside out. So I investigated all sorts of different approaches to medicine and really started to find the final conclusion of how important mind, body, and soul medicine is. And so hence that is why Natural Nurse Solutions was born. I started kind of on this path about 3 years ago when my dog had actually gotten sick as well, and I started treating him with CBD, which is kind of like the taboo. Everybody thinks it's out in left field or if it's snake juice, but it really truthfully can be if you're not looking at the right products. So a lot of the different modalities and everything that I do is all about taking that mind, body, and soul approach to everything that you're doing, whether that's decisions that you're making, your health, everything that might be encompassed around mind, body, and soul, which is truthfully all the energy that surrounds us. So I had many different modalities that I was working with people, from CBD to nutritional balancing to mindset coaching, energy work, and I didn't find that one thing that kind of helped encompass them all together. So I started to look into kind of making my own products. Wasn't sure what I wanted to do at first. I knew it had to be something along the CBD lines just because I saw just the immense amount of people that I was able to help with CBD. In the past 3 years, I think my total is going on about 5,000 people. So it's been a true blessing to kind of see people find that new branch of their own health. So bath bombs were born because one of the biggest things that I focus on when it comes to natural approaches to medicine, to be able to quiet your mind enough so you can listen to your body. Because number one, your body is going to tell you what exactly it needs to be healthy and to get to that place that you need to be in the right mindset in your mind, body, and soul. So I know myself, I would always take Epsom salt baths when I was feeling kind of like my anxiety was increasing or just feeling anxious about certain things that I had going on in my life. And I would use Epsom salt and lavender and all this other stuff. And I would also have my crystals when I would do meditations while I was taking a bath. And then it dawned on me how simple and easy it would be to incorporate something completely natural and to allow people to have that Zen moment in their own bathrooms, in their own homes, and to be able to have good quality benefits from it. So that is where the bath bombs were kind of born. All of the ingredients that I use within the bath bombs are all natural. The CBD that I use as well has been third-party tested. It looks for heavy metals. The thing with CBD that not a lot of people know is the soil has to be tested as well. The plant itself is bioavailable, so it uses everything that is in that soil. So you think about the things that it could be fertilized with or the actual ground itself. So the company that I work with uses third-party testing. They test for microbials, they test for pesticides, herbicides, heavy metals, all of the things that could have deterioration to your health versus benefit it. The essential oils that I use are also third-party tested and are looked at very extensively. Comes in the natural form. They're either wild harvested or organically harvested. So a lot of really, really great things that are packed into these cute little balls. Another thing that we do put in there is natural herbs. These herbs come from all over the world. So there are some that are limited just because of availability. But if you have certain requests, we can always talk about that too. So the herbs come from all over the world, from the Amazon to natural springs, that type of thing. So the last thing that we do put into all of our bath bombs, unless it's specified, is crystals. So we use a lot of different natural crystals. This is an example of one of the blue apatites that we use. This one is an Epidote, is the one that I'm going to be doing the demonstration on. So the great thing about just kind of all of this encompassed into one is it's just a natural healing healthy balm for you to be able to relax, to allow your body to just be calm, allow your mind to be calm. And in the process, you get a keepsake and you get your crystal to go along with it. And then use that crystal for whatever intention that you feel needs to be pulled forward. I do have a lot of different resources if you guys have questions about crystals, about CBD, any of that kind of stuff. So just please reach out. I'm always here, just an email away. It's just Renee@naturalnursesolutions with an S.com. So I'm just going to do a quick demonstration. This one is actually already wrapped up in the heat shrink wrap, so I'm not going to be able to do much with this one. But this one, the crystal is on the inside. The herbs and everything are on the outside within the bath bomb mix. So you're going to get those healing benefits throughout the process of your bath. And then at the very end, you get the crystal of whatever is on the inside. Some of our crystals, you can see what crystal you have just by looking at the top. But there's other ones that they're larger crystals, so they have to go inside of the bomb just because of the way it is compressed. So that's that. And I, again, thank you so much for stopping by. I'll just do a quick demonstration of the bath bombs. We use all natural ingredients. It's almost like a science project of using natural ingredients that are going to help activate each other. Ultimately, water is what's going to activate everything, but as water touches these ingredients, we have ones that have primarily fizzing and foaming, and we have both. So recently I've been using both because you get kind of a bubble bath along with it. So anyways, we will show you. We'll do a headache balm. This one is purple and blue. You can tell it's already starting to fizz. And we drop it on in. And it'll float to the top so you can kind of see the bath bomb kind of disperse. You can see I really hope it doesn't overflow. That's why I didn't fill it all the way. But you will also get the foam as well as the bath bomb fizzing. So they kind of work together to give you a wonderful healing experience while you are taking a relaxing bath. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free and reach out. And that's it. Again, this is Renee from Natural Nurse Solutions, and I look forward to hearing from you.